Hello everybody, I want to show you this video. You can insert the microSD card at LG V40 ThinQ. So what we need is next to the phone, the pin. And the pin is part of the box and you will find it there in this little plastic bag here. And otherwise, if you don't have it anymore, you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Yeah, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone this SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Yeah, so this is the place here for the microSD card, but please note, if you are using a second SIM card, you cannot extend with a microSD card at the same time. So you have to decide between a second SIM card or a microSD card. Okay. So put the microSD card like this, if you want to decide for the microSD. So it has to look like this then finally. And the contacts are below. Okay, and this construction you put back into the phone like this. Yeah, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. So thank you so much for, and yeah, maybe if you want, you can also have a look on one of my other videos or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.